Good morning friends, myself Saurya Ganesh. We are going to discuss about the basic electrical engineering subjects. Okay, in the last lecture we are discuss about the AC fundamentals. In AC fundamentals we have discussed about the what is meant by RMS value, average value, form factor and the peak factor. In this lecture we have to solve the problems on that. Okay, so we will take the one problem, that is the voltage equation V is equal to 70.7 sin 314 T. Okay, and what we have to determine? We have to determine the maximum value of the voltage, then RMS value of the voltage, frequency and the time period. So before solving any problems, so how to solve that problem? So we will discuss about that. Carefully read the problem, then write down what is given. Okay, these are the steps to solve any problems. First is the what is given. After reading the carefully problem, write down what is given. Then the second, write down what we have to determine. Second. Okay. Third, write down the formula for determination of the quantities. Okay, which quantity we have to determine? Write down the side by side the formula. Then after, if there are two unknown quantities and there is one equation, so we can't solve. So write down the formulas for the unknown quantities. Formula for the unknown quantities. Then calculate the unknown quantities. Substitute that unknown quantity into the main quantity we have to determine. That is our the final goal. So first, what is given, what we have to determine, write down the formulas for the determination, then write down the formulas for the unknown quantity. First find out the unknown quantity, that find out the unknown quantity which you have calculated, substitute that unknown quantity into the main formula and determine the quantity which we have to determine. So we will first write down the what is given. So what is given here? Here the equation is given, that is V is equal to the 70.7 sin 314 into T. This is the given. Okay, this is the given. So what we have to determine? First we have to determine the maximum voltage. Second, we have to determine the RMS value for the voltage. Third, we have to determine the frequency. And fourth, we have to determine the time period. Capital T. These are the quantities we have to determine. Okay. So one by one we will determine. First, we will determine the VM, that is maximum voltage. So compare the given alternating quantity with a standard one. V is equal to the 7.7 sin 314 into T. We will compare with standard, that is the Vm sin of omega T. So directly here we are getting the values by comparing this, that is the Vm is equal to the 70.7 volt. This is the value of the maximum voltage by comparing. Okay. Next, which quantity we have to calculate? That is the RMS voltage we have to calculate. We have to know the formula between the RMS voltage and the maximum voltage, 0.707 into the maximum value of voltage. So here we have know the value of maximum voltage, so we can determine the maximum value, the RMS value for the alternating quantity, that is 0.707 multiplied by Vm, multiplied by the Vm, that is 70.7. So what is the answer? What is the answer? That is the 50 volt. Okay, answer is the 50 volt. This is the RMS value for the for the voltage, that is the 50 volt. Okay, the next we have to calculate the frequency. Next we have to calculate the frequency. So for the calculation of the frequency, compare this term, that is the omega t, and the main standard equation. So what is meant by omega t? Omega t is equal to the 314 into t, 341 into t. So tt will directly cancel. Omega means 2 pi f. 2 pi f is equal to 314. So f is equal to the 314 divided by 2 pi. So what will be the value? 49.07 hertz. 49.07 hertz. This is our the third, that is the frequency. That is the frequency. Okay. So this we have calculated the frequency. Next we have to calculate the time period. Okay. So what is the formula for the time period? Time period is nothing but the 1 upon frequency. 1 upon the frequency. So 1 upon 49.07 hertz means 0.02. 0.02 seconds. Okay, 0.02 seconds. Okay, so we have calculated three quantities. First we have to calculate the maximum values, then we have calculated the RMS values, then frequency, and lastly time period for the waveform. So first we have written the expression compared with the standard expression, that is Vm sin omega t. After comparing, we have get the direct values of Vm, that is 70.7 volt. We have get here maximum value of voltage.